Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to take full page screenshots on iOS 14. Now, it's a very similar way that you guys did it on iOS 13, but I'm just going to show you guys how it does work on iOS 14. Now, I'm just going to let you guys know that this does mainly work with Apple's apps, so like iMessage, Safari, stuff like that, just to take the full screen image. So all we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it on Safari. So I'm just going to go over to Safari here, and I'm on Oculus's website here, and they have a very long page, so this will be a perfect example to show you guys how it works. But all you want to do is just go ahead and take a normal screenshot as you would. Once you're done taking the normal screenshot, you just click on the screenshot, and then right to the right at the top of the screen, you'll see an option for screen and then full page. So then if we switch over to the full page option tab, you guys will see it then pops up a screen on the right side of our screen here. Then we can click and drag, and then we can drag wherever we want down this side of the page. And what's cool about this is, say if you're looking at like a book or homework or anything like that, you can actually go ahead and go through the page, and then you can highlight stuff that you find interesting. So let's just say I like this little line of text right here. I can go ahead and highlight that, then continue on scrolling down. Oh, that's good too. I can highlight that as well. So you can see a lot of use for this. Now, the only con of doing it like this is that it does save it as a PDF, so it's not going to go to our Photos application, unfortunately. I'm not sure if that's going to be an update in the future or anything like that, but what you have to do with this is you have to save it to your iCloud files or iCloud Drive or something like that. But yeah, that's the only downfall of this, unfortunately. But yeah, once you're done here, you can either click on Done in the top left, or you can click on Share in the top right, and then you can go ahead and copy it over to your files or send it to a friend or anything that you're looking to do. So let's just say if you save it to your files, you just click on Save to Files, and then you want to put it to where you want it. So let's just say if you just want it in Photoshop files or downloads, you can go ahead there, then click on Save, and then you'll be able to access that in your iCloud folder. But yeah, like I said, unfortunately, we cannot put it in our Photos app, but it's better than nothing for now, I guess. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.